Hi, I'm your guy next door, and if I can cook, you can surely cook too. Today, I'm in the mood for Thai food, and let's go Thailand. I'm going to show you this recipe. It is called Thai pineapple rice. And in this recipe, of course, I use ingredients that is most accessible to common people like us. Alright? I have to say sorry to the Thais, but this is my version. Let's head to the kitchen. First thing first, drizzle in the cooking oil. Let it heat up a little bit. Put in the powdered garlics. And then the onions. The chilies. The quantity of the chili can be optional depending on how spicy you like it to be. The chicken meat. In this case, I slice this chicken meat from the portion of the chicken keel. Make sure that the chicken is cooked on both sides. And because I slice it thinly, it doesn't take long for it to actually cook. Next, the star of the show, pineapple. And then put in the rice. Now when the rice is in, put in some pepper. And today I'm using fish sauce, no salt. Throw in some Chinese celery. Fry them all together. Put in a pinch of brown sugar, just a pinch. When everything is well mixed together, aha! It's all done. This is how pineapple fried rice looks like. Okay, once the pineapple rice has been placed on the serving plate, we garnish it with roasted cashews. This is traditional, and this roasted cashew will add a very nice flavor onto the rice. So, guys, this is the pineapple rice that I just cooked and show you. If you find this recipe interesting, do give me a thumbs up and share my video with your friends. Please subscribe to my channel, and in the comments below, share with me your thoughts on recipes that are similar to this. I'll be happy to hear from you. See you soon in my next video. Bye!